Do you want to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp? You can unarchive one or multiple WhatsApp chats with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To unarchive a chat on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, you will see a list of chats. At the top of the chat list, you will see the archived option. Just tap on it. Sometimes, the archived folder may be located at the bottom of the chat list. Now, you will see a list of all the chats you have archived before. From the archived list, find the chat you want to unarchive. Once you find it, long press on the chat. After you long press on the chat, different options will appear at the top of the screen. From the available options, find and tap on the Unarchive button. If you are using an iPhone, swipe left on the chat and select Unarchive. Once unarchived, the person or group will now be visible in your normal chat list.